how to factory reset a laptop without logging in. So if you've forgotten your password and you're unable to log into your laptop, I'm going to show you how to go in factory reset the device. Now the first thing you need to do is head over to the lock screen like this, and as you can see it's asking for my password which I've forgotten. Now to reset the laptop, the first thing you need to do is hold down the left shift key on your keyboard and then click on Power Options in the bottom right hand side. You can then go and select Restart from the list of options and make sure to continue to hold down the left shift key while your computer restarts. So I'm going to do this with you now. So as you can see, I'm holding down this left shift key button and then just wait a few seconds while your PC restarts. And as soon as you see this blue recovery page, you can then go and release the shift key. Now from this page, we need to go and select Troubleshoot. You can then click on Reset this PC and you'll have two options to either keep your files or to remove everything. Now choose the option that best suits you. I'm going to press Remove Everything. It will then say Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. So you want to start by trying the local reinstall, and if for some reason it doesn't work using the local reinstall, you can also try using the cloud download instead. You can then simply go through the rest of the steps on the screen, and this will reset your laptop back to its factory settings, and by doing this it will also remove the password on your laptop as well.